Hi, my name is Brad with UEB. I'm going to go over the roll-up door system we have out here. This is level 1 entrance into the parking garage. First off, we have a key switch right here that is only on the interior of the garage. You can simply walk up, and if it has power, push the open button and it will open. If at any point you need to stop it, you can push this stop button and it'll automatically stop it. To continue on, just push one of the up or down again, and it will carry on. Let's go ahead and close it. This system has, like in your typical garage, has laser that goes across. If you break that plane, it'll stop it and open it back up. So you'll want to just check those lasers, make sure they're clean and everything, make sure the sun's not hitting them. You shouldn't get a whole lot of that in here. If for any reason this door isn't going up, you can't use this button or the sensor in the ground that for people exiting isn't working, you can come here to these chains located on both of these. Grab this one, pull it down, and then this one, we pull it up. You have to keep tension on this chain and pull this one up. If you let go of this one, it'll just stop it where it is and you won't be able to pull it up. But pull this chain and pull this one either way that you want it to go. It'll go up and down. And there it is. Maintenance on these doors is pretty simple. Up top, we have a chain that you'll want to lube and just with a spray lube and keep it lubed up. And then you have a belt on that side, and you'll just want to inspect that belt once a year and make sure that it's not cracked out or it might actually break. And at that time, replacement belts can be ordered and purchased. Okay, now we are in the trash room. This trash room is the other roll-up door that we have. This is a fire door, and this will be connected to the fire alarm system. Connection will be made up top, and in the event of a fire, if this door would have been open, this door will be automatically close. We have the same open and close function right here as we have the other doors: open, close, and stop. On the outside, we are going to have a keypad, and for that keypad, will be mounted right here. You will enter in a code. After you enter in that code, it will open up. And it is not set up to automatically close after any certain amount of time. It will remain open until either that button is pressed in there or it is that code is re-entered here.